Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Viagogo.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a website that offers you tickets for cheap and premium tickets that are very hard to find, so they find the ticket that is right for you. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So if you're wondering if this site is actually legit, let's head over here to Trustpilot, where they have 3.5 out of 5 stars for 42k reviews, which is very a lot. Let's see some of the reviews here. Don't use, the tickets didn't arrive. Warning, do not use Viagogo, they are scammers. My daughter bought 2 stereophonic tickets, so I purchased one for Viagogo, blah blah blah. I will never use them again. Absolute disgrace. If I can rate this 0, I will do. Fraudulent practices. Was sold parked asked to concert in. Ordered 2 tickets next to each other. Was delivered 2 separate areas. Utterly disgusting. Attitude, lack of service. So there are a lot of negative reviews for this website. So please avoid using this website since there are a lot of negative experience from them. And maybe their rating was inflated due to bots here on Trustpilot. So please just use legitimate sites and not Viagogo.com. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.